Okay, my Mega Moto mini bike frame build project, whatever. I still don't have the sprocket or the brake disc. Still waiting on those. I have the seat on and the wheels on. The handlebar, they called it a high-rise handlebar, but it's not a very high-rise, just as far as I'm concerned, or anything like what comes with the Mega Moto brand new. The handlebar risers I used only uses one bolt or a stud, whatever, on the bottom, so I used the forward set of holes instead of redrilling it to keep it in the center, but that puts the handlebars a little further away from the seat, so I'm happy with that. The bolts were pretty long, so I was able to add some washers to get a little height out of the handlebars, 1.5 inches actually, and without having to get longer bolts, so that worked out good for at least for me to raise the handlebars, because like I say, even though they call it a high-rise handlebar, they're not very tall, and it looks kind of funny because I have it lean forward a little bit too, but still it's really not a very tall handlebar like I was hoping for, but I guess it'll be okay. And that's where I'm at with it right now. Next time you see it, we'll have the engine on it.